As Oregon's #1 ranked hospital and only academic medical center, OHSU, in partnership with Lifelight Network, now provides transport for adult patients who may benefit from extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, or ECMO, to support their heart and lungs. OHSU consults with medical providers throughout the region. At the first sign of respiratory or cardiac failure, call our transfer center and within minutes we'll have a consult team assembled. If indications support the use of ECMO, an OHSU physician and nurse and a Lifelight nurse will travel immediately to your hospital. Our team can start ECMO support before returning to OHSU with the patient for treatment. In fact, OHSU is the only hospital in the Pacific Northwest providing transfer for cardiac patients on ECMO support. OHSU's ECMO program is unique. Our cross-trained team of physicians and nurses provides care in the best location for the patient, whether it's the medical, cardiac, or trauma ICU. We will continue to keep you updated on the patient's condition. Once they're ready for discharge, our case managers will work closely with the patient's local specialist to ensure they're receiving the best coordinated care possible. We look forward to partnering with you in the care of your patients.